Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Today's video isn't going to help too many of my laser people. We don't use multiple pages. I have before in a real detailed drawing like my Ferris wheel or merry-go-round. But if you want a new page, we've got page one, it's got this glob on it. Just right here, just click New Page. Now you got two pages. But let's delete page two. I want to make a duplicate of that page, so you can right-click, duplicate page, and here's the key. You need to check copy layers and their contents. And I've got it set on select after selected page. So now page two and page three, or page one and two are the same. I got the same object. They're in exactly the same spot. Let's make this one blue. So page one is black, page two is blue. Right click, duplicate, copy layers and their contents. So now page two is blue, page three is blue, but page one is still black. This is very helpful. You can add pages as many as you want, and you could see we're on page 7 right now. Right here, you can go down to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Well, 2 should have had something on it. Oh, you know what? It put it before. But, so you can go back and down between there. Now, if you want to go from page 1 to 9, you just hit this. It's like a recording button. It's going to go to the end. And if you want to go back to the start, just hit this. Basically, it's showing you an arrow to the end. So, page 2. Let's make a new one. Duplicate the page. After the selective, copy the layers. So now 2 and 1 have black. I moved all those other pages to 10 and 9. And you could go in here and delete a single page. I don't want page 5. Just right click, delete. 5 became a different number, delete. I must have hit duplicate, delete page. And if you can delete all these pages that don't have anything on it. So page 6 and 5, 4 doesn't have anything, you can just delete it. 3 doesn't have anything on it, delete. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pages with the exact same item in the exact same spot. This is very helpful to some people. Most of you won't see the advantage to this. Most are working with multiple pages, but just so you'll know what this is all about. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.